So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iOS 27 iPhone is basically updating, but it's stuck on preparing update. So maybe you're trying to install the update, but it's just stuck on preparing that update. Now, number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is just going through and just making sure that within your iPhone, you have the proper storage and you have the proper update available. So number one, go inside of your iPhone settings right over here, scroll down until you find General, which is right over here, and then get into iPhone storage. Now in this panel, all you're going to want to do is just make sure you have enough storage saved on your iPhone. A lot of the times, the biggest problem you'll run into here is that you basically just don't have enough storage saved. So go through and make sure you have enough storage saved on your iPhone. That'll be the number one most important thing I'd recommend doing here. Now, on top of that, if that doesn't seem to be working or that's not working out that well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make sure that you are connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection. So go through under your Wi-Fi, make sure you're properly connected, make sure there's no Wi-Fi problems, because that can also be another really big issue you might run into there as well. Now, if that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing here too is to just go through and just let your iPhone sit there for a while and let it just charge up. Sometimes you might just have to let it just sit there and let it do its thing and let it just charge over time, because that can also be another really easy way of fixing this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it, and that's probably what I'd recommend doing here. So in terms of that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.